As you're walking in. Got a great open floor plan. Redid the whole kitchen. The countertop is not finished, but it'll finish with that. All brand new appliances. Very open. Very large master bedroom. Pocket slider, which is super cool, to a walk-in closet. Actually hides the bathroom. Pocket slider there too. They're in the process of doing the bathroom, finishing that up. Lavatory, double vanity, super nice. And then one of the most massive showers I've ever seen, with 2 shower heads are being put in here. Go over to the other 2 bedrooms. You got a split bedrooms with a bathroom completely redone, and the middle with an oversized tub, and 1 bedroom here with a large walk-in closet. Come back out, go into the other bedroom, good sized bedroom here with another good sized closet.